if a senior leader is watching this podcast, who have their estate running on IBM today, what would you want them to take away from our conversation today?
If you're looking at direction, if you're unsure, uncertain in direction, it's give us a call, right? But I mean, it is as simple as that, because we can provide the guidance, whether it's replacing, doing health checks, modernizing, especially that's right in the wheelhouse of Deeper Than Blue. Existing iteration technologies, again, so slight crossover between the two businesses, but we know where we can help a customer together. Again, losing those in-house individuals, if you've got people that they could be retiring because they've got the knowledge of a system that's been running 30 years, we're probably at that sort of crossroads. That skills gap, can we support it?
From my perspective, I think it's important organisations don't feel they have to rip and replace. I think if you look at IBM's investment in the product roadmaps and you look at the capabilities of our two organisations, we can help people upgrade, migrate, and modernise to later versions of these technologies.